damn debris out here. Got a hell of a race to the lead.
Hey guys, thanks for all the hard work this week, getting that car prepared as well as it was. Dale and I both appreciate it. Let's stay solid all day, keep our nose clean. Remember, lap 110, what counts. So, stay focused on that. Hi buddy. He's got a better view of the green flag and he can get a front stretch to tell you if anybody's checking up in front of you. He's going to call the green and then I'll have it from there. Coming into green, make sure your brake and tire fans are on. Good luck, buddy. Caution is out, caution is out. The 15 cars stop entering the S's.
Alright, we don't have quite the drive off we need. For whatever reason, I don't know if we started a little high on this set or what.
We did not adjust the set for practice.
Struggling with the drive off. The car's turning fine. Just trying to get off of turn 2 is tough.
Buddy, I think the 15 might have blown up out of the turn right over here in front of you there. I'm not sure. He stopped on the right.
246 on the temperature. Do you want any fans off?
Yeah, you can shut the fans off. I feel like it's too early to pit here.
Can you see what lap it is? They don't have it on the scoreboard.
You just completed lap 6.
Okay.
Just a 10. Everything's good in front of you. Just a 10. Just a 10. Now just a 2. Good job. Door. Pulling him. We're going to be the bumper. Clear, 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 clear. Looking back over there. Still going to look over there. Still looking. Just a 22. 2's going to follow him. Still there, the 2. Alright, still there, just 2. And you're clear. You're clear. He's one back, one back. Everything's good in front of you. Outside lane's rolling there. Alright, 22's over there. Door. Still there, bumper. Clear, clear, clear. All clear.
Fans aren't on for some reason. I had them on. They were on. I must have turned them off when I reached over and hit the seat switch. Everything's so tiny you can't feel what you're doing. Just give me a copy on that, that you heard me.
We'll shut our fans off right now. We will pit. Not open yet, buddy. Not open yet.
Even with that run with the fans off, you want them off now?
Yeah, we'll have them off for the pit stop here.
Alright, I just didn't know if you wanted to put some air on them until we come down pit road.
Keep the brake fans on. You don't have to worry about the tires.
Roger, that's what I was thinking. Need a fucking water pump to get anything out of that damn water bag. You must have got that somebody's tire wrap shut somewhere.
47 right with you here. 5 seconds back to the 19 behind them. They're talking about debris in turn 12. 11 or so.
There's another turn.
I don't know, that's what he said. Keep digging.
Ain't no damn debris out here. Got a hell of a race to the lead.
We'll have to come around 11, and 16 will come around us.
I think we might have a little air coming out of the right front tire. I'm not real sure. So be ready to pick it up. I think it's okay, but I don't know. I think I ran over something. I was going to pit that lap. Never left front fender.
Really good, it just bounced right back. So soft it flexed. 47 had an uncontrolled tire there.
My car doesn't accelerate, you don't restart, or out of turn 2 in second gear. I don't know if I need to be using first there, but on restarts I might start.
Boom tractor. All right. Last time we had this little short green stint here, we went back on scuffs, you really took off, so Looking forward to that P8 right now. We're good on fuel. Probably about 15 to go when you get to green.
Alright.
Still over there, the Ford bumper. You're pulling him. Still barely over there. Clear, 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 clear. Close. All clear, all clear. One back. No pressure, buddy. In line, in line. All right, two outside, two outside, two outside. Keep coming outside, outside. Outside, still there, the 41, still there, the 2, still there, door, only one clear, right outside, left side, one, bumper clear. Checker flag, bud, this time, P11.
Sorry, that left front damage hurt it.
Yeah, 10-4, buddy. They're going to make sure you come in real slow to the entry of pit road there. You're right, left front fender's killed.
Yeah, it was driving pretty funky. I thought we was going to fall.
Yeah, you held on to it, man. Good car, guys. Good work.
It's good work on pit road all day. I know we didn't really show anything today as far as the finish, but we've been getting way better on pit road, man. Real consistent.
Nice effort all weekend. Sorry I didn't get you a little bit better position there.
Hey, we got a bad pit selection. And that's not, not your fault. Those guys around you. You did everything you were supposed to do. So, don't worry about it, Greg.
Only the 2 car over there. Lug nut check at pit road here. Yeah, man. Good work today.
Yeah, it was a fucking lot.
10-4, man. Good work, guys.